This is a Spanish for Public Library resource access tutorial. This tutorial covers how to access the latest articles from the New York Times newspaper through the Gale database on the AVL website. Free online access to this premium subscription is provided to residents of Alabama through the generosity of Alabama Virtual Library. AVL provides this free access for many valuable resource databases. By following this tutorial, you can read articles online directly from the comfort of your home or anywhere else you can access the internet on your device. Step 1 is to go to the Spanish Fort Public Library website. You can reach our website through our Facebook page, our Instagram, by Googling us, or by typing www.spanishfortpubliclibrary.org into your browser's address bar. If you're not a Spanish Fort Public Library cardholder, you can visit your local public library's website to find information on the resources available in your area. This is our website homepage. We try to keep monthly closings and important news in a banner at the top of this page. You need only to scroll down this page or use the menu bar at the top of the page to find the information you're looking for on the site. Step 2 is to find the Alabama Virtual Library OWL or the AVL text logo anywhere on the SFPL website. When you find this logo, select the link by clicking on it with your mouse pointer or touching it if you're using a touchscreen device. AVL primarily consists of online databases grouped into sections for different types of research needs. We are using the All Resources section for our purposes. On this page is a large list of databases. The list is alphabetical. We're going to scroll down just a bit and select the Gale General One-File database. Step 3 is to select Go to Publication Search at the bottom right of this Gale Library menu page. On the Publication Search page, use the search bar labeled List All Publications to search for New York Times. You can see it populating a suggested list of items within this database. And there it is. Hit Enter or click on the search button to populate a list of results within this database that match your search term. We want just the New York Times. Select it and voila! This is the New York Times newspaper digital article. You can see on this page that this database contains full text articles from January 1st, 1985 to the current day. You can search through past issues by clicking that little arrow beside the selected year to choose from any year back to 1985. This section automatically defaults to the most current issue. It's about 10:30 on December 29th, 2020, and here's today's issue. Let's see what's inside. This chess champion can barely see the board. That sounds interesting. Let's select it. I appreciate the renewed enthusiasm for chess that's generated by the popularity of the Queen's Gambit on Netflix. I will be very glad when we can pull out the chess sets and board games and gather around the tables again on our family game nights here at the library. But I digress. As you can see, this is the article in its entirety. However, it has only the text of the article. Photos are not included. There's also this handy citation tool down here at the bottom. You can select the format you require for your purposes, aka the one your instructor told you to use. Now, back up here at the top of the article, there's an audio function. If you just click on this listen icon, you can have the article read aloud to you and access the audio toolbar. This function also highlights the individual words as it reads them. This will download an MP3 audio file, and the slider bar allows you to advance or rewind through the audio of the text, so you can easily go back if you miss a word or skip forward to a specific part of the article. And of course, the stop and play pause buttons. Let's navigate back to our results page. And as you can see, every article from this issue is listed. All 5 pages of them. Navigate back to the database details page so we can explore the search within publication keyword search. It's over here on the right. This allows you to search just within this particular database. So let's try public library. Hold on. I know how to spell libraries, and hit enter on the keyboard. And here you have a list of New York Times articles containing your search term. Ooh, I remember this one. We were very proud to have recognition of the massive efforts public libraries across the country have been putting forth to learn new ways of meeting the needs of their communities. So, if you'll look within this article, you see that each instance of your keyword search term has been highlighted within the article. This allows you to quickly see how relevant the article is for your needs. And of course, down here is the citation toolbox. You can select your desired format, then click select to easily copy this citation to be pasted into whatever document you need. And that's our conclusion to this New York Times Online Access tutorial. If you have any other questions or issues accessing this resource, as always, feel free to contact a Spanish for Public Library staff member using the information listed on the Contact Us page at our website. That's www.spanishforpubliclibrary.org. We're always happy to help in any way that we can, or to direct you to the proper department at Alabama Virtual Library for assistance. Okay, see you at the library.